lot of leaks, a lot of water penetration. We'll lead in with window cleaning contracts, right? Your window cleaners are going to be there every 6 months, 2-3 times a year. And as we dive into the window cleaning, we take that as an opportunity to familiarize ourselves with the building, inspect the caulk joints, kind of be their eyes and ears and do a little forward thinking.
Water is the biggest mystery to me. Unless it's in the air, I can deal with it. But like finding a leak seems to be the craziest, most complicated thing to try to do.
Sometimes it's blatantly obvious. Sometimes it's very difficult. But I think the important thing is I've really aligned myself with some really intelligent, smart architects, because that's usually the first problem is how do you get to it? Once you solve that problem, you're halfway there. And then it's how do you fix the problem, or what is the problem? Is it a leak? We're dealing with like a lot of caulking, those type of projects, masonry projects, window cleaning, pressure washing, pretty much full building envelope barrage of services. We have one of our rope access guys here, Rubén. He's an IRATA level 2. I mean, this guy's great, but he used to work on like windmills. He would like belay down the blades and like climb back up. He's done some really cool stuff.
Some years ago, I started since 2018. I started climbing. So I've been climbing the last 8 years.
Yeah. What's the highest you've ever been hanging off of a building?
How high? Climbing? In meters. It's 160 meters.
Do you feel nervous ever when you're up there, or are you used to it by now?
It depends. If I am working, I don't feel nervous because my equipment is certificated. I am trying to do all as safety as possible. Never is too late for a start, actually. And you can see people 60, 70. In some places, one guy with 90 years actually climbing. Man. You can start any day.
Yeah.
It's just try it.